It's 392 lean.
What's going on, y'all? It's your girl 392 Lean, and today, as you can see, we got a package. So today I got my well, not today. Today we'll be installing my black exhaust tips. I got these for my birthday last week. My birthday was on the 9th, so we're gonna go ahead. I'm finally getting a chance to install these tips. I've been in class, I've been busy, I haven't had time to do literally anything. So finally getting a chance to install these. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna open the box and see how they look. I'm excited. Yes, sir. So as you see, got this from Western Motors. Western Automotive, my bad. So go ahead, let's see. Okay. So let's set the camera up right here. Ooh, these things are huge, bro. Holy shit. Y'all, look how big this thing is. Oh shit, this shit is huge. I really hope it fits. All right, let's see how it looks. All right, so stock. Oh yeah, I feel like that could definitely fit. I don't think it would be too much of a problem, but we'll see. I don't think it would be too much of a problem. I think honestly they'll be okay. These things are freaking huge, bro. Look at this thing. They look really, really good though. I like them. I'm gonna put down a link in the description where with the size and everything. These things are huge, bro. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna head to the shop. And actually first I need to get gas, so I'm gonna head to the gas station first, and then we'll go ahead, go to the shop, and see y'all when I get there. Alright y'all, so finally made it to the shop over here at Old School Automotive in South Carolina. Let's see over here. So we're gonna go ahead, go inside, get these things installed. I'm ready, I'm so excited. What's going on, y'all? So I'm back at the crib. We got the tips installed. They didn't let me record while I was there because they had like hella cars in the back, which I understood, so it was all good. But yeah, look at that. Yes, sir. It look really good, honestly. So that's how they looking now. They look really, really good. I gotta get my car washed. My car is very dirty. Very, very dirty. Look at that. Ew. So, I gotta get the whip clean, but everything looks straight, honestly. It looked really good. And I still got the I got the original stock tips. So, if anybody wants some, they here. You feel me? Let me open the trunk. Let's see. Whoo, can't look in the trunk, it's so dirty. Alright, so here are the original tips right here. So anybody, yeah, that's them. But so that's that. That's how it's looking now, y'all. I'm really fucking with the look for sure. It looks really, really good, no cap. Look how aggressive, like, it just looked real aggressive. Ooh, look at that, then. Look at that. Just wait, we still got more mods on the way for sure. You already know what's going on. So already I'm done building my exhaust. Now we moving on to something else. I'm gonna let y'all know how that's going later on. I'm gonna let y'all know when it's starting. You know I'm gonna post a video on it, but this how she looking, man. She looking so good, I can't stop looking. She looking way too good, so yes sir. But like, comment, subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe. You know we on it all day, daily. Fuck with your girl.